Finish it.
For what?
My boo.
Whoo, guys. We're on round 2. I think he's in a different outfit than he was in the last video. So it is confirmed it's a different day. Andrew, can you look at the camera? Show me your bow, though. Yes, sir. Can you give a little spin, too? Like your greatest.
Like that? Ah!
Oh.
Let's go.
All right. We're starting off with hopping back and forth in the fighting position. Go.
I'm cool like a cucumber, dog.
We'll see how you feel in 5 minutes.
I know.
Side to side. Hands up.
I was gonna go like this.
Yeah. So add the jabs as you're going forward now.
Forward?
Yeah. Now add the crosses. Yeah, so it's weird. It's like, bah, bah, bah. So every time you're sort of falling forward, you're throwing the cross. Nice. All right, now you're going to start doing the square. Just start doing the dashing, adding the quarter turns.
Okay.
But don't add punches yet, okay?
Okay.
Go. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Add the quarter turns. Don't forget. Don't forget where you came from.
Don't forget where you came from, boy.
Yeah. You really like doing that slave master voice. Okay, now add punches. Ooh. For everyone harassing my buddy when it comes to him breathing too hard, just know I told him to do that. I told him beforehand, hey, wouldn't it be hilarious if you breathed extra hard? No, guys, it's not as regular breathing. That would be ridiculous, right? Wouldn't that be ridiculous if that was your actual breath? Right?
No.
Oh,
That is
okay.
my real breath.
Oh, 1, 2. 2, 1. 3, 2. 2, 3. Okay? This footwork, it's different from dashing. When we dash, then we use the floor to really send those combos. But if we're doing this footwork when we're stepping and punching, it's different. We're traveling and punching at the same time. Okay?
Got it.
Let's go.
Too far.
Yeah, and try not to sink your heels onto the ground either.
No more snake?
No more snake. You need to watch the 5 Deadly Venoms. Have you heard of the 5 Deadly Venoms?
No.
Okay. Well, you just lost a few followers. And push-ups.
Josiah?
Yeah.
Josiah. Where's he at?
He's probably not doing shit right now. Body weight squats, go.
Also, he's sleeping.
Yeah, dude, he's sleeping, dude.
Ah.
Let's do. Stop fucking around with it. Jab. 1, 2. 1, 2, hook. Nice and relaxed jab. Double it. Add the cross. Nice. Nice and relaxed. Don't be tense. Just relax. Hi. Double it. Cross. Bye. Bye. Hi.
Okay.
Again, just bye. Bye. Boom. Bye. Bye. Boom. Go. Bye. Bye. Hi.
Like that?
Yeah. Again. Bye. Bye. Hi. Again. Bye. Bye. Hi. Jab. Shh. Jab to the body. Punch it. Shh. Jab. Shh. Jab. Shh. Cross. Shh. Hook. Shh. Cross. Shh. Jab. Cross. Shh. Jab. Cross up. Shh. Shh. Double that up. Bye. Bye. Make it smaller. Make it smaller. Just a little bit. Bah. Go. Bye. Bye. Hi. Hi.
I fucking hate myself.
Jab, cross, uppercut, uppercut. Let's go. Ba, ba.
Fuck.
Punch all directions. Move around. Face me, face me. Throw your punches. Go. Throw your punches. Work some blocks in. Block, 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 block. Block, block. Parry, parry. Nice. He's active. I know it hurts. I know it hurts. But you got to push through it. Hey. This motherfucker's getting a little close. Let's go, let's go. Bye. Let's go. Shadow box. Come on, come on, come on. Face me, dude. Hold up, not pretty enough. Let's go. And push. Push. Push me, push me. Don't let me push you. There we go. Push. You feeling those?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. You're going to push kick me. Push, other leg. And then you're going to do jumping push. So pump and push.
So like pump and then.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck. Okay.
And then regular push.
Ah, sorry.
Regular push. Pumping push.
Fuck.
Boy, one more. Let's get this. Dude, why do I feel like your kicks tickle?
Because they probably do.
They tickle a little bit.
Yeah.
But I would like them to make me feel uncomfortable.
Okay.
Yes. Oy. Oy. Well, that one tickled.
Not that last one.
Yeah. So I haven't gone over in detail how to throw these. My philosophy with teaching new moves is the movement is more important than technique verbatim.
Okay.
So all you're going to do is you're going to bring your knee forward. So let's say we're facing the mirror. Face the mirror. You bring your knee forward, then you pivot and snap.
Oh, so.
And snap it back. Yes.
But my hip flexor.
Boom.
Oh, so you're badass. Okay.
Wow. And it's easier when you're kicking a paddle. And then now that you're left side forward, the right kicks.
So.
Snap it back. It's easier once you're kicking something. Get over here.
Oh, it's probably easier when you're 20 pounds lighter. That too? Fuck!
The balls.
Okay, let's go. So.
Shh. Shh. Snap it back. But we're getting it.
How do you keep your momentum forward?
You got to keep doing it, man.
Oh.
Because you're figuring it out as you're doing this right now. You're going to kick through the paddle, tie kick style. Bah.
Okay.
Ba. Ba. All the way through. Nice. Switch stances. It's not bad. Thai pads, pad ties, Muay Thai, and Mai Tais.
I do like my ties.
Yeah. Have you ever had Mai Tais after training Muay Thai?
No.
Mai Tais.
No.
You don't like Mai Tais?
No.
Are you racist? Hey, hard. Hey. 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 So the next one you're going to work on is called the side kick.
Side kick? Why would you call it that, dude? Okay.
So a side kick, you have to be completely sideways. So that means my toes are facing the mirror, and this side of my hip, the side of your hip,
Okay.
is gonna, your knee's gonna come up.
Okay.
And then you pivot, and then you kick, and then you
Oh.
kick back. Okay?
Got it.
Knee up.
So, how would you say, like, just shoulder width?
Yeah, just knee up. Yeah.
So, knee up,
And then kick
pivot.
and kick at the same time.
So,
Just stomp.
fucking
Not terrible,
pussy.
but pretty terrible. Yes. Again. Now switch stance.
Hey.
Come forward this way. Go. Look at your target, dude. Go, kick.
Pussy. Oh! Makes me so mad. It would hurt
Knee
me.
all the way back here.
Oh my God.
You ready?
I gotta move my stomach.
Kick. Okay, wait. Hold it there. Hold the side kick out.
Oh
No.
my God.
Now pulse up and down. Go.
Ah, fuck.
All the way to 10. Ready?
Okay.
And go.
That was already 7.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knee to your chest. Now go. Side kick. Just keep side kicking. Boom.
Oh my God.
7, 8, 5, 6. Come on. I'm doing it for you. Let's go, dude. You got 4 more. 4 of your best.
Fuck, I'm
1.
Dude, I'm not gonna walk tomorrow, bro. I know.
Let's go. Come on.
I can't fucking move. I can't fucking do it.
Let's go, Andrew. Let's
Oh
go.
my God, dude. Oh my God. Fight this way. Ah.
Bro, I don't know what you just said.
Huh?
What did you just say?
I don't remember. Why is the room moving? Dude, I fucking. Oh my God, dude. I'm not gonna be able to walk tomorrow, bro. I already know it. I already fucking know it.
Do the hip stretch.
Oh my God.
Do the hip stretch.
Oh my God. Fuck. Bro, what the fuck? Bro. Ah, fuck, that hurts. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's what happens when you want to be the best, huh? What can I do, master? I gotta do something about these hip flexors, bro. Oh my God, dude. What's next?